Hey everyone, Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach. Hey, today we are coming to you from Winter Garden, Florida. And you can see behind us, there's a bunch of Prevost. Well, we're at the Prevost Service Center here. And so we just want to give you a little bit of a glimpse of what it looks like here. There's actually spots where you can come with your Prevost and you can park and you can stay in your coach while they're working on your coach. We'll show you just a little bit of the building. It's a great facility, it's just very, very nice. And then we're also going to show you, they told us about the downtown area here. So we're going to go take a look at the downtown area and show you what you can go visit and maybe
go stretch our legs a little bit.
Stretch our legs a little bit, maybe do a little shopping. And they say the restaurants are really cool there. So we just wanted to show you the Prevost Service Center and show you kind of the quaint little town around it. So keep watching.
There are a lot of coaches here. It holds quite a few. Not sure right offhand. And there's a wash bay there at the end. We'll take a little trip around the building. So we're kind of on the back side of the Prevost building, but you can see some coaches in there. Getting little touch-ups, tune-ups, whatever might have to be done. Now I know we're kind of looking through the fence here, but you can just see all the beautiful Prevosts lined up. And then just coming up here on the wash bay. And just to let you know, they have treated Randy and I very nice. They're very organized and communicate well. So you know exactly what's going to happen throughout the day. And this is a shot of just the entire parking lot. A lot of coaches. Yep, not all need to be repaired, but it's a beautiful sight of Prevost, that's for sure. Here's one of the great places to stop and grab a bite to eat when you're downtown. This is the bike path that goes right through the center of town. It's pretty awesome. Have a great day and keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.